211 Cusco Racing, a motorsports organization that had been competing in the Super GT series with the Subaru Impreza that had been converted from all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive, introduced a new machine in the latter half of 2006 that utilized a transaxle symmetrical all-wheel drive system. The power produced by the EJ20 horizontally opposed turbocharged flat 4 was transferred to the gearbox through a propeller shaft, with the center differential managing power between the front and rear differentials for maximum traction. Adding more parts and weight to a racing car usually is a negative, but Cusco Racing compensated for this additional mass by making the body as light as possible. In 2007, the team hired Tetsuya Yamano, a driver who had dominated the GT300 class for 3 years running, to test and pilot the car. In the rain, Yamano demonstrated good speed by making the most of the traction supplied by all-wheel drive, and showed impressive speed on dry surfaces as well. In 2008, Kota Sasaki was partnered with Yamano, along with Carlo Van Dam for the season's final 2 races. Many improvements had been made to the Cusco Dunlop Subaru Impreza by this time, including a lighter rear section and improved rigidity. In round 4 at Sepang, they won the race from the pole position and went on to score 2 more poles and finish 3rd twice. Unfortunately, Cusco Racing did not participate in the series in 2009, but a drove of loyal fans are eagerly awaiting their return.